blurring there. Christ.
No, it's a little bit easier to turn it nowadays because that's a diesel reproduction.
It is,
whereas
yeah.
the other one was coal. And where you see the Lartigue sign there on the side of it,
Yeah.
inside it there was maybe 3 ton of coal, and the same at the other side, and the barrel in the middle
There's water.
carried 200 gallons of water.
Yeah. Did you do some restoration to it during COVID? Or
There was various jobs doing it, we say painting it and doing
Yeah.
few repairs here and there. There's a scheme of workers here. There's about 3 or 4 of them. They would be here all year round.
why was that then? Can you tell me? Was it just not making profit?
Independence.
Oh right, yeah. So there would have been a civil war.
Transport soldiers, and a lot of the locals didn't kind of like it. And then we say, where you see there now, the switches were left open in places. They drove the train off.
Okay, focus.
Up to that was completely funded by the English government. After that, when independence was got in, there was no money there.
No, there wasn't.
And then the motor car was starting to come in at that point as well. And this more, the transport between here and Ballybonan was taking too long.
Yeah.
The journey out to Ballybonan would take about 45 minutes. 45 minutes to an hour, we'd say, on the train.
Focus, yeah, no.
Now, in those days, that was quick.
But
nowadays,
as it caught up, yeah. It was an interesting experiment though, fair play to him.
Like,